Welcome, my dear friends. Close your eyes and imagine the quiet of a winter night, snow softly falling, candles glowing in windows, and a heart filled with warmth. Today, I will tell you a story about a little star, a forgotten family, and the magic of making something beautiful together. In a small town nestled between snowy hills, there lived a little boy named Ali. His family had fallen on hard time that year. His father had lost his job. His mother was worried. Their small home felt colder than ever. Still, Ali believed in Christmas magic. He would look up at the night sky every evening and whisper, if only one star could fall into my hands, I had make our Christmas bright again. One frosty night, as he stood by the window, he saw something shining in the snow near the old barn. He ran outside, and there it was, a small broken golden star ornament. It was not real, but true. Ali, it was the most magical thing he had ever found. Christmas was only 3 days away, but the house was quiet. No decoration, no light. Sorry. No trees. But Ellie's mother sighed. Maybe this year we will just keep it simple. But Ellie smiled, holding a little star close. Don't worry, Mom. We can make Christmas ourselves. He started searching the house for anything they could use. Old paper, empty jars, pine cones for the backyard, ribbons from his mother's sewing box. Soon the dining table turned into a small craft workshop. Ellie's mother helped him cut stars from old magazines. His sister painted pine cones with leftover flowers and water paste. His father, who had not smiled in weeks, joined in to tie jute strings and hang ornaments by the window. They worked all evening, the room filled with laughter, the soft scent of cinnamon, and the glow of handmade magic. When the family looked around, their small house sparkled not with expensive lights but with love. Ellie placed his broken golden star at the very top of a small branch they used as their Christmas tree. He whispered, You are our Christmas star, now shine for us. That night the snow fell heavily and the whole town lost power. Lights went out, homes turned dark, but Ellie's house still glowed. People walking by saw the flickers of charred candles and the shimmer of handmade stars through the window. They knocked on the door, asking, How do you have light when the town is dark? Ellie's father smiled. It is not electricity, it is our Christmas spirit. The neighbors laughed, shared stories, and brought cookies. Soon the small cottage was filled with warmth, songs, and community. People who had forgotten how to smile were smiling again. When midnight came, Ali sat by the window, looking at his golden star. It seems to glow brighter than before. His whisper, Thank you, little star, for bringing everyone together. And just as he spoke, a real star appeared in the sky, right above their house, shining like blessing. His mother hugged him and said, You see, Ali, Christmas is not about what we have, it's about what we make together with our hearts. The next morning, the snow had stopped, and outside their window stood their neighbors, holding a small gift pinecone and handmade star. They said, Ali's family reminded us what Christmas really means. And from that year on, the people of the town began a new tradition. Each family will make one handmade ornaments every Christmas from paper, wood, or recycle things and place it on a big tree in a square. They call it the Tree of Hearts, and at the top of the tree, year after year, they placed a golden star, the one Ellie had found in a snow. Because it was not just a decoration, it was a reminder that light doesn't come from things, it comes from love. So, my dear friends, as you make your own Christmas this Christmas, remember the story of the little star. Even the smallest things made with love can bring light to someone's world. Create, share, and let your heart shine through every ribbon, pinecone, and paper star you make. Happy